ask David, since you know me, whether I don't collect 1,000 naira from him before. 1,000 or any of the 30 BG or any of their friends. As a matter of fact, when they call me, say, make I come go meet in uncle governor, say I will collect like 50 million. Actually, I tell them, a lot of people will be happy. You know, it will be 50 million. I bounce am. You see, that time I went to Lagos to go and meet Davido. Now me pay my flight ticket too. That hotel where they say Davido lodge me for hotel. Now me pay for the hotel. Alright, so anytime when I talk something where they around Davido and maybe some people for Davido record, people go say, after all what Davido have done for you, Davido flew you to Lagos, Davido have contributed for your NGO and all those type of things. Well, this comment section will be open for a reason. Today, make I just address you now, right? You see, that time I went to Lagos to go and meet Davido. Now me pay my flight ticket too. That hotel where they say Davido lodge me for hotel, now me pay for the hotel. So recently, a lot of things don't happen. I say, say I betray David, go meet Burna Boy. Am I David's boy? I dey work for Davido. What do you mean by I betray David? If David and Burna Boy get problem, that's their concern. You see this media, what you don't know is bigger than you. What you don't know is bigger than... The last time me and Davido even talk, now when that issue of that boy where say he go give $5,000 for Ghana, I think he forgot. People were now insulting me. Say you talk, say Davido don't give the boy. I didn't know he forgot, or maybe he was busy. So I sent it to him in his DM. How far? Sharp, me they pay this boy. Because people were insulting me, thinking that we use the thing for clout. From there, they pay the guy. Ask him, or any of the 30 BG, drop receipt. 1 penny from David, I never dropped. When I see Burna Boy, do you know the first thing he said to me? He said, I know they fear you. I know they fear you. In short, I bet no near me. Coco, come this side. Coco, come this side. We laugh. He goes, say, Baba, come this side. When will they go club? He said, VDM, you know, go ride for any other car. Me and you will get a lot of things to talk. Then he brought the issue of the car. He said, all the cars I buy some type where we say now like 200 that go make in a year. So those cars, I feel resell them in years to come. Then from there, we started talking about Nigeria. Me and Burna Boy, the club, we no move. Now talk, we talk. He say, okay, you know what, VDM, man, this club, we no fit talk well. This thing I tell you, money don't they reach. Now we take go apartment. We spoke about politics, Nigeria, progress of Nigeria, gets the youth working. That was basically what we spoke about. The video's topic did not come out. Whiskey topic did not come out. I was surprised. The next morning, he said, call me Dede. Uncle Dede. He said, call me Uncle Dede. Uncle Dede knows a lot of things about Nigerian history. That's what we did with Uncle Dede. Then he said, oh, how far my birthday? And tomorrow was good. Then I went to go and protest with the children. Then towards the evening time, he sent me a DM. He said, he sent me a message on WhatsApp. He said, I see your protest, man. I hope say these children go fit enter school. I just hope say we can go do something real quick. Before I can say, okay, make I see if I fit meet up for birthday. Where I take go the birthday. But they say, oh, VeryDarkMan, why will you talk about Davido's car? I talked about the three of them. I'm nobody's boy. I don't be any of them boy. This same Burna Boy today, he talking with his mouth. I swear to God who made me. Say, VDM, man, if you see anything where beside I do, where say if you say, man, you blast them there. If you did wrong, you blast it. It's your own brand. I'm nobody's boy. So one of they talk down and nonsense. They should drop receipt. Leave media out. Wanna leave media out, not go. I don't be anybody mates. It's not by how long, it's about how well. None of them, their penny don't enter my hand.